folks. So I came back out to the rifle range today. Well, first off, I guess I start from the beginning. A while back, I came up here and I shot and I couldn't hit nothing. I was really getting very frustrated, and I got to studying up on this rifle a little bit more. It says a normal rifle twist for a 7mm mag, the rifling twist, is one turn in 8 inches to one turn in 9.5 inches. So I measured my barrel twist, and turns out mine is 1 in 10. And so studying up on things and reading up on it a little bit, it sounds like the heavier bullets won't shoot as good in this gun. And so I went and I wanted to get some 140 grain bullets, and nobody had any, but I got some 139 grain bullets. The other thing that I found out was these Brownings are free-throated quite a ways, which means where the brass in the front of your bullet ends to where the rifling starts, how far that gap is, they're quite a ways. I had to seat them out quite a little ways from that groove. Normally you crimp the brass into that groove. I had to seat them out quite a little ways to make them where they're just off the rifling. And I like these bullets. They don't kick as bad. And I just shot, what did I shoot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 16 bullets plus 3. I'm not even really very sore today. Last time I was sore. So anyway, these first shots I'll show you are at 300 yards, and what they are is they're a little round clay pigeon. They're 4 inches around at 300 yards. And then the last couple is way over here. This is 500 yards. There's a square that I believe is 1 foot. I don't know. I haven't walked over to it. That target there on the left, that's 500 yards away. The other thing that I found out, I wasn't sure if the gun was shooting where it was supposed to be, as far as left or right. So I put this box out here at only 25 yards. I don't think this is focusing the way it's supposed to. Okay, that center dot there, there's I think 3 shots there, maybe 4. Go and look at it up close. So it actually looks like 2 shots, but there's three holes there. They're just a little bit left of center, so I moved it just a hair to the right and hit those clay pigeons at 300 yards. after doing that, I think I'm finally wolf ready, at least out to 500 yards. Past 500 yards, I got to do a little more practice and see just where it is I need to hold, and might run out to Morelli's here. I could load some more bullets first, and he has a ballistics calculator of some sort that he can make a chart that'll tell you the bullet drop, at different range, and that would be really helpful. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm feeling better about this now. The other day I was about ready to sell this rifle. And like I say, this is a nice rifle. This is one of my most favorite types anyway. Do this without tipping over here. It's a Browning made Highwall in 7mm mag. So Winchester made the Winchester Highwalls in 1885, and John Browning was working for them at the time. He is actually the guy that designed and invented this rifle, but like I said, he was working for Winchester, so it's got the Winchester name on it. Now that Browning has their own company, and the patent is all wore off and all that stuff. I mean, it's been how long's that in? 140 years, something like that, 1885. But anyway, this one was made by the Browning Company, that is actually made in Japan by Maruko. But I don't know, that kind of bothers me a little bit. American rifle made in Japan. But internally, these are different than the originals anyway, so it's a good gun. I'm happy with it again now. Anyway, see you folks tomorrow, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.